I'm going to show you guys in this video how I tested Grok and found that it was actually better than I was expecting. I'm going to use a prompt that I've been using on several AI models now for over a year, and I will give you my completely honest feedback on Grok's ability to sort through data. In my opinion, this is a good baseline to understand whether a model is stupid, medium, or intelligent. For some context, ChatGPT 01 and Claude 3.5 Sonnet, in my mind, are the only truly intelligent models. Everything else that I've used is medium, except things like ChatGPT 3.5 and also Gemini 2.0 for some reason, which are kind of trashed here, in my opinion. So just for some context, I'm going to show you this prompt, and this is from 5 months ago. So I'm not sure if this is 3.5 Sonnet. I believe this is 3.5 Sonnet, okay? The prompt is basically, include image links, please choose 10 relevant products and designer links for an article about black tie attire for men. The products selected must fit exactly with this article. The reason I personally think this is such a good test of intelligence is there are so many items in this list that you cannot wear to a black tie attire event. There are probably in total about 7 or 8 products that you could make the argument that you could wear them to a black tie attire event. I hate repeatedly saying that. But kind of the difference between the stupid and the intelligent models is the intelligent models can fill in the gaps with real and actual information that you could make the argument that you could wear it, basically. So let me just show you what that looks like. This is 3.5 Sonnet, I believe. Here are 10 relevant products and designer links. So you can wear this, you can wear this, you can wear this, you can wear this, you can wear that, you can wear this. You could probably get away with wearing that, which is what I mean, like it's almost correct. This is correct, you could wear that. Now, the model here is a text-based model, so it doesn't know that these black shoes are actually sneakers, right? So for me, this is also a pass just because it cannot see that these are sneakers, okay? It just says shoes. And then cotton polo you can't wear, but it does actually specifically say for pre or post event, right? And then the final one here, you can't really wear it, and it does actually say alternative to traditional black. So you could maybe get away with a dark blue suit. So, you know, everything that it said is completely correct or very almost correct or as correct as possible. When I did this test yesterday with Gemini, completely failed, okay? It just made shit up. All of the answers were wrong. It got 0 out of 10. This is probably an 8 out of 10. Let's try the latest model of Grok just because I'm curious to see whether it's stupid, medium, or intelligent. Now, I've heard good things about this, so I wouldn't be surprised if this was actually an intelligent model. Also, to be honest with you, Elon just kind of knows what he's doing, doesn't he, at the end of the day? So let's have a look. You can kind of get away with the first one. I'll give that a possible yes. And you can kind of get away with the second one. The third one is black, which is good. You can definitely get away with that. Fourth one, blue, is like a kind of correct, but not really correct. Fifth one, blue, not really correct either. Although one interesting thing, and actually it's doing a very good job. This is a no. This is a kind of correct, and this is a kind of correct. So compared to, there are two things here. This is the first model that I have used that has organized this in such a perfect way. That's impressive. I'm very, very impressed by that. This is also the only model, if you actually look here, there are no designer links. And part of the prompt, now this is actually interesting because this might make it an intelligent model. Part of the prompt here is the products, and their designer links, right? Please choose 10 relevant products and designer links, right? So this is the only model I've ever used that has followed that instruction. It's given all of the designer links. If I open this, you'll see it's a real link. This is a real link. Damn, Grok might be really intelligent. Now, one thing that I haven't looked at, because in my head it's either ChatGPT or Anthropic always, but it doesn't have to be, I guess, is the Grok pricing. I don't actually know the pricing, to be honest with you. So let's just have a quick look to see if we can find the pricing on the API. Because if the pricing is good, I would consider using this for Harbor, basically. Grok API pricing. I want to see if I can find this. Pricing is now $2 for 1 million input tokens and $10. That's not bad. That's cheaper than Anthropic. So obviously they're trying to compete with Anthropic here. It's about 75% cheaper, 50% cheaper than Anthropic. So for this level of intelligence, that's very, very well priced. And I would actually say this has passed the test on par with Anthropic 3.5. Now, you'd have to do a lot more tests, obviously, and I'm sure there are a lot more tests to be done. This, for me, says, in my mind, that this is between a medium and an intelligent model. I would say it was probably an intelligent model, to be honest with you. And this is actually what I did hear about Grok before making this video. I would consider using this for your sorting data, for your content writing, for all of that good stuff, okay? Because this does seem like a pretty good model, to be honest with you. I'm just going to try something here. I'm going to say now write a 2,500 word article using these products about black tie attire for men in 2025. So I'm very, very curious to see how it does with this. So I can see there's no formatting here whatsoever. Okay, let's see if it actually, there's the product link, okay. So it hasn't done the images or anything like that. I mean, I could very easily prompt it to change that. What I was kind of curious was, is the writing just the same AI nonsense that we're used to? So the first line can tell you, yes, it's the same fucking nonsense. In the ever-evolving world of fashion, that's already 100% AI. Everyone's already switched off. Everyone already knows it's AI generated. Black tie attire remains a steadfast emblem of elegance and sophistication. Why does it write like this? When was the last time any of us have ever said steadfast emblem? Literally. I don't understand this. I really don't know why it does this, but maybe it's because it was trained on Reddit, I guess. That's my only explanation to this, that, yeah, all of these AIs just read Reddit, and that's why they're so annoying to read. Anyway, guys, I'm going to leave the video there. Thank you so much for watching. I would say this was a medium to intelligent model, probably on par with, probably better than GPT-4o, I would say. Not as good as O1, not as good as Anthropic 3.5, but, you know, I'm not an AI expert, so maybe the evidence says different to that. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you're watching all the way to the end of this video, you are an absolute legend, and I will see you very, very soon with some more content. Peace out. Watch this video if you're interested in Amazon Nova and whether it's a good LLM or a bad LLM.